Kimber. Come here. Kimber. Well, don't go that way.
He's like, I realize.
Run, Peter, run. Run, buddy, run.
She's out of here.
Come here.
Well, it's like a cat bath, right?
Biting. You see her?
It's like almost like she's trying to like clean
She's
her.
like nibbling.
Hungry.
Oh my goodness, you're so little.
She comes.
Who, me?
Am I little?
Now kid will want to check it out. Well, now I know I can get a dog in the future.
Hi.
Yeah.
I
She
can-
seems real chill. Yeah.
I can have a dog with Benny, but I can't have one with Spencer.
Back up.
Callie.
Shit. Not scared at all.
Yep. Absolutely one of the most chill cats I've seen.
Yeah, big.
Just one of the girls. Aww.
He's licking her.
Hi.
Keep moving down the line.
Strangely fitting, as my brain tries to do something.
What are you doing?
Well, the video got its 500 likes, and I have to do my somersault. So I'm kind of working out a little bit of theory as to what's going to be better to do it in the range or in the shop.
So why don't we do this? Why don't you run at me and I will do like how you do in like the tumblers, how they help.
Huh?
Help.
I do not have an equation for that. So I took range and shop and divided these into two categories. So I've used theories of movement. I've used theories of relativity. There was a math one on here that had something to do with an equation. And so I had different equations for the different objectives. Range versus shot. It's me starting off all happy, thinking about it, not so sure. Doing it felt really bad and then dead. So range to me theoretically just didn't seem like something I wanted to do. Decided to try a shot theorem. Again, I start off happy, not real sure, I'm getting ready to do it. Do it, sucks, and then I die. So I think at this point, probably the best thing for me to do would be to consult a professional. Okay, so it's a red cape. That's all bullfighters do. Somersault people, I gotta jump, and there is a lot of weight going up into the air and coming back down in a very fluid motion. A bullfighter just, and they yell some kind of Toro shit, the Toro, whatever. So don't try to tell me that a gymnast training me to do a somersault is the same thing as bullfighting. It's not.
I said pole dancing.
Oh, pole dancing. Why didn't you say so?
I did.
No, you said bullfighting. Why would you say pole dancing?
Why not?
Valid point. I'm gonna go find an expert. There's got to be a local person that is an expert in somersaults.
Okay. Have fun.
I'm gonna show you.
Okay.
It's gonna be.
No, I
it's
believe
gonna be
you.
phenomenal.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You'd be like, who is that? Like one of the Flying Willinda guys?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what it'll be.
He's gonna die.